Check out another site here. You need some workers, sir? Hernandez Mobile Car Wash. Don't hire Americans? Okay. Check this one out. There's no permit on this one. You can see they don't have a work permit posted. Must be visible. That's the law. Not posted on the fence anywhere. It's very dangerous. Kids could walk by here. They could play with this debris. Could get seriously injured. This fence needs to be closed at all times. And we're construction permit posted. See, they got a big wood beam here, so we can walk into that and get seriously injured. Remember to subscribe and share. It's not acceptable. You also have to have the address posted. It's very sloppy. Do not see evidence that illegals work harder than Americans. Using some kind of temporary tag, C66 7896. There's no signs posted who the company is doing the work. All illegal. Buenos dias. Buenos dias, senor. You gotta have your construction permit posted where it's visible.
What's that?
Your construction permit must be posted. That's the law. On the fence.
Oh, it's not there?
No, it's not here.
Oh, all right. I think the inspector's here now. I'll talk to him.
Inspector's here now?
Well, one of the engineer, I don't know, inspector and engineer, one of the guys.
And they didn't tell you to post the permit up here?
What's that?
The inspector did not tell you to post your permit up here?
I don't know if it's the inspector or the engineer right now that's here.
Are you the superintendent?
Pardon me?
Are you in charge of this project?
They're all here in the back with the engineer right now.
Okay. Okay, I'm an investigative reporter. I'm an investigative reporter.
Oh, okay.
I'm press. So I am videoing this site. I'm investigating these sites.
I'm having a hard
You have to be in compliance with the laws here. Are you an inspector? Are you a building inspector?
time. Can I talk to this gentleman right here?
Yeah, are you a LA building inspector?
No, I'm not.
You have to have a construction permit posted where it's visible. It's not posted.
Who are you?
I'm a reporter. Did you hear what I said? It has to be posted. What do you do here? What's your job, sir? If I don't see it posted up here, I'm going to file a complaint. All your workers got to be legal here, too, in the United States. Understood? We'll be calling ICE. And it's not safe to have that beam sticking out. Somebody could walk into that, stupid. So remember to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. So these idiots don't care as long as they're getting a paycheck. Like I said, some senior citizen, bad eyesight, they could walk by, walk right into that beam. They're too stupid, even though I'm actually helping them out. These idiots these days, guys. Look, they got all these signs that they don't want homeless Americans even living in mini houses. But they're fine with all these empty, overpriced houses, nobody living in them, Chinese moving in. Bad stuff, guys. Remember to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Well, you should all be getting involved in your neighborhoods, clear out all this nonsense. I'll talk to you later. Bye.